Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I'm doing a video to talk about the new NutriBullet that I got. I got the NutriBullet Pro. I wanted to do an unboxing and just show you what's in the box. Right now there's a sale on at Target and I think at Walmart. So it's like $20 off when you go there and get it, or you can order it online. And I'm trying to figure out a way to incorporate more fruit and vegetables into my diet without, I'm cooking a lot obviously, but I'm trying to, now that we're home, I'm trying to do meal replacements where I can incorporate fruits and vegetables and protein powder into my diet. I'm also gonna start throwing some smoothie recipes up just from some things that I've been looking at online. So we're gonna start to do a lot of food things. We're at home, we are trying to make ourselves better. So this is what we're gonna do. So starting from looking at the box, this is what you get. This is the, you're not gonna see my face because I'm just behind this box, but this is the NutriBullet Pro. You can see all of the things that it shows on the box, the different types of things you can make. You got, this is the unit, but it actually comes with cups on the inside. It tells you like all of the things here, which is great. And then finally, it shows you like some of the different, you have this two sizes of these cups where you can like take your shakes and your smoothies to go. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you what's in here, and then we will kind of talk about what I think about it. I've never done smoothies at home, but remember, every time you make a smoothie at home, it's kind of like when you make coffee at home, you're saving money, right? Well, you're probably not going out that much now anyway because of the global pandemic, but you're saving money. I remember going to smoothie shops and going to Smoothie King, and it just be like ridiculously priced, right? It's just like, doesn't make any sense. So we're unboxing. When you look at it, it says, "Welcome to Team NutriBullet. We are excited to have you in the mix. Time to unbox benefits and better nutrition." So when you open it, the first thing you get out of the packet is you're getting coupons, safety information, your user guide, warranty registration card, and then in this, cardboard container is the NutriBullet Pro. And it actually, I have to say, when I'm pulling this out of here, it is pretty substantial. This is actually not a lightweight thing. And then these are the rings, I guess. We're gonna unpackage all of this stuff so we can see what this is. And then they have two sizes of these things. And then like a drink top. We're gonna get all this stuff out of the way. And we're gonna just start pulling plastic off of this stuff. So now that I've unpackaged everything, you can see what you have. Like, so you have the NutriBullet Pro system here. And this is a 900 watt one that I think the regular NutriBullet is 700 watts. And then they have a smaller one, which is like 500 watts. The reason I wanted to go with the Pro is because, you know, I wanted to try to experiment with different types of fruits and vegetables, and I wanted to have the power to be able to do that. One of the things that they say is very good, and I'll let you know, we're gonna actually go through and do some smoothies in subsequent videos, but I wanted to see how powerful the blades are, because what I understand from the NutriBullet system, since it's specially designed to like make smoothies and shakes and things like that, the blades are actually quite powerful. And so I wanted to see exactly how well this works. You saw in one of my previous videos that I had a hand blender, and that one is powerful, but I didn't want to over time bend my blades. I want to still be able to do soups and things like that. So that's it. You get, so in the NutriBullet Pro kit, and they have another kit that actually has a blender part that goes on top of it, but this is like your NutriBullet Pro Kit 900. So it just has the 2 cup sizes. So you can have a large, extra large smoothie, and you can have this size smoothie, which is I think it's 12 ounces and 16 ounces. And then you have your pop top, so you can drink your smoothies. And then this is, I don't even know what this is. I think this is the ring to attach to this top. It's the ring to attach to this top. But all of these things screw down into the bullet. So it's actually, if you look at it, it's actually quite simple. And then I think all of this stuff is dishwasher safe, but because it comes apart so easy, I think you just rinse this off. They said, and on here they have a cautionary thing, says, you know, sharp blades, never blend hot liquids or foods. Blending for more than 1 minute can cause ingredients to heat, pressurize, and spray out when blades are removed. Do not remove the cup blade assembly until blades completely stop moving. Never place blade assembly on motor base unless a cup is attached. So you don't want to ever spin this without this being on there and closed. You want to make sure that you stay safe. Remember, always stay safe. Anyway, that's it for my video today. Please hit the like button if you like this. If you are thinking about doing things or you have smoothie recipes, please let me know. I am a smoothie novice, so I am starting from scratch. We are gonna take this journey together. I'm gonna cut up some fruits and vegetables, and every day we're gonna try a different smoothie with different things in it, and we'll see what it tastes like. And sometimes it'll probably taste not so good, and sometimes it'll taste good, but I want you guys to take this journey with me. So with that, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check me out next time. Subscribe and like below. NutriBullet. Peace.
Subscribe, but like below.